Welcome back, Z Squad. We're gonna make a cookie in a cup, peanut butter cookie. You're gonna wanna take a tablespoon peanut butter and a tablespoon butter, put it in a mug and melt it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, depending how strong your microwave is. We're gonna take a tablespoon brown sugar, tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt. Put it in the mug. Take your stirring device. I use a fork. Mix it up good. Then you're gonna add 1 egg yolk. Make sure you get all the egg yolkiness. Then stir it again. Make sure it's well combined. You're gonna add a splash of vanilla. Stir it again. Now we're gonna add the 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. We gotta stir it and make sure it's well combined. And once it's all well combined, we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 35 seconds.